Ever wondered, does ZenBusiness offer refunds? It's a crucial question for anyone looking to start a business, especially when investing in services like LLC formation, registered agent, or compliance. You want peace of mind, knowing that if things don't go as planned, or if you simply change your mind, your hard-earned money isn't just gone. The world of business formation can feel like a labyrinth of legal jargon and service packages. You're trying to launch your dream, but also navigate state fees, compliance requirements, and a multitude of service providers. ZenBusiness is one of the most popular platforms out there, known for its user-friendly interface and competitive pricing, even offering a free LLC formation package where you only pay state fees. But what happens if you sign up and then realize it's not quite what you need? Or maybe your business plans take an unexpected turn. That's where understanding their refund policy becomes incredibly important. Let's dive deep into ZenBusiness's refund policy, breaking down what you need to know to make informed decisions. We'll cover their core services, specific conditions for refunds, and how to go about requesting one. Stick around because knowing this information upfront can save you a lot of headaches and potentially a lot of money. First and foremost, let's get to the direct answer. Yes, ZenBusiness does offer refunds, but with specific conditions and limitations. It's not a blanket, no questions asked refund for everything, so understanding the nuances is key. The most important thing to grasp is their 60-day money-back guarantee for formation plans and certain add-on services. This is a pretty solid window in the world of business services. If you purchase a formation plan, whether it's their starter, pro, or premium package, you generally have 60 days from the date of purchase to request a full refund, minus any state or third-party fees that ZenBusiness has already incurred on your behalf. This last part is crucial. When ZenBusiness files documents with the state, they pay a filing fee to that state. This fee is typically non-refundable by the state, so ZenBusiness cannot refund it to you. Think of it like this. If you ordered a custom-made cake and the baker already bought special ingredients, they wouldn't refund you for those ingredients if you canceled after they started baking. This 60-day guarantee also extends to certain add-on services. So, if you purchase something like an operating agreement template or an EIN filing service as part of your initial package or as a separate add-on, and you decide within those 60 days that you no longer need it, you can likely get a refund for that specific service, again, less any non-recoverable third-party costs. Now, what happens if you're outside of that 60-day window? If more than 60 days have passed since your purchase, ZenBusiness generally will not issue a refund for the initial service or subscription. However, you can still cancel your subscription or service, preventing future charges. This is particularly important for annual subscriptions like their worry-free compliance service or registered agent service. If you're on an annual plan, you need to be proactive in canceling before the next billing cycle if you don't want to be charged. Let's talk about some specific services and their refund considerations. For formation plans, LLC, corporation as mentioned, these are typically covered by the 60-day money-back guarantee. The refund will exclude state filing fees once those have been submitted. It's vital to remember that once payments and formation information are submitted to the state, ZenBusiness can't cancel or change those filings. So, if your documents are already being processed by the state, you'll still be out those state fees, even within the 60-day window. For registered agent services, this is often an annual subscription. If you haven't yet used the registered agent services, you might be able to request a refund by contacting their customer support. However, if the service has commenced and they are actively serving as your registered agent, a refund is less likely, especially outside the 60-day initial period. You can, however, cancel the renewal of your registered agent service at any time to avoid future charges. It's important to note that ZenBusiness needs proof that you've either appointed a new registered agent or dissolved your business if you cancel the service, as they remain liable until that change is officially made with the state. For tax services subscriptions, ZenBusiness also offers tax services. For their tax services subscription, if you haven't used the services yet and wish to comply with the terms, you can request a refund by contacting their customer support. These are generally annual subscriptions and will automatically renew unless canceled. For worry-free compliance, this is another common annual add-on. It helps with annual reports and other compliance needs. Similar to other subscriptions, you can cancel this service, but typically, no refunds are issued after the 60-day mark or once the service has been actively utilized, e.g., they've filed an annual report for you. So, how do you actually get a refund or cancel a service? The most effective way is to contact ZenBusiness customer support directly. They usually provide multiple channels for this, including phone and email. When you reach out, be prepared to provide your account information and a clear explanation of why you are requesting a refund or cancellation. Having your order number or any relevant dates handy will speed up the process. It's also worth noting that ZenBusiness prides itself on its customer service and accuracy guarantee. While an error-free filing can't be guaranteed in all cases, they do strive to ensure every order is processed correctly. If you find a mistake on their part, contact them as soon as possible, and they will work to get it fixed. This isn't strictly a refund scenario, but it speaks to their commitment to customer satisfaction. One final thought: always read the fine print. ZenBusiness's terms of use and specific service terms will contain the most up-to-date and comprehensive information regarding their refund and cancellation policies. While this video aims to summarize the key points, policies can change, so a quick review of their official terms on their website is always a good idea before making any commitments. Understanding ZenBusiness's refund policy is essential for any entrepreneur utilizing their services. While they do offer a 60-day money-back guarantee for core formation plans and certain add-ons, remember that state and third-party fees are generally non-refundable once incurred. Beyond that 60-day window, you can cancel subscriptions to avoid future charges, but a refund for past services is unlikely. Always reach out to their customer support directly for any refund or cancellation requests. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.